Okay, this is the display.
I want to share a story with you guys. Yesterday, one lady came to me and, hey, can you send me the wholesale price list? And I looked at her profile. Her face looked very familiar to me. She said to me, hey, I purchased your hair a long time ago, 3 years ago. And I was shocked. And I checked the profile. Oh, okay, this her face, definitely, yes, very familiar to me. Sometimes I'm very happy when customers come to me say, I purchased your hair many years ago, 3 years ago, 4 years ago. But sometimes I am a little bit sad because after you purchase the hair, after a few years, you come back to me. There was another story yesterday. There was one agent. They asked me if I have Alibaba Store, Alibaba accounts selling hair there. I said, right now I don't have Alibaba accounts there. So he said to me, hey, that's not safe. And I replied to him, not everyone on Alibaba is safe. Let's go back to check my profile on YouTube channel and you understand my hair business. It's a word of mouth in this hair business. So not everyone there is safe, okay? Of course, I'm planning to open one account there. So in the future, more and more customers will say, hey, this guy now has Alibaba accounts now. Actually, no, I'm from China. I know how they play this hair game. So follow me and I will share more story with you guys.